What's up, family? How we doing today? Today we've got 2 shoe unboxings and reviews. Original Nike box that you guys already know. Pine Green 2.0s. Honestly, not even a fan of the color. I don't know why I got it. Not a fan of the Wings logo either. The new Wings logo that they're doing. But the leather is really nice. I like the leather. It's not premium leather. It's not like the shattered backboards, but pretty damn nice. You know what? I even want to talk about these shoes. Don't know what the hell's in here, because I have like a few more coming in. Oh shit! What is this? Union stuff. Oh, these are my fiance's shoes. Babe! Come over here.
No, what is it? They're not for me. For real, it's for me?
Yeah.
Nuh-uh. Don't
Yeah,
make me cry
these are a
right now.
size
For
6.
real? I can't see that far.
Well, come see so they can see
You
too.
lying, babe.
I don't know what it.
I'm not even.
Okay, I do know what these are.
Okay,
I don't know.
I'm not even cute right now, so.
So
I'm doing homework.
I do love these court purples. These are mine. Stock. I haven't worn it yet. I've just haven't found a reason
You
or
really bought me something?
a thing to. Yes. Just come over here, please.
That's so sweet. You do love me.
Dude, I love the box though. This is the same box that the Unions came in.
Oh my god.
One of my favorite fucking shoes.
I have a pair. I have a pair. If I do, I'm wearing them to school tomorrow.
Well, can you come over here first and see? No.
Yes, I'm almost done.
You know, I'm gonna unbox it for you.
No, wait. I want to open the box. It's my shoes, right?
So while we're waiting for her to come over here, you know what? Forget it.
No.
These,
wow.
I love these court purples. I figured I'd get her something so we could like sort of match, I guess. Maybe not.
Okay, let me see. I'm ready.
I don't know if you like this, because I remember you telling me no.
Okay.
But
what is it?
well, we're gonna have to open it and see.
Okay, well let me see. What
Damn,
is it?
so
What is
nice.
it? I can't rip it open. It's killing me.
The Sheila's. Damn.
Why, babe?
Oh my god. They don't smell like regular Jordans. They smell different.
Ew.
So these are the Sheila.
Why do they smell like?
The Sheila Rashid, something like that. The collab.
1, I hate purple. 2,
I love purple.
2, I hate mids. So 3, those shoes aren't for me.
And mids or highs would look good on you regardless. I know because I see
cute.
it on you. Whatever, sure. But these are nice. Look, they got the looks like it's been dipped in paint, in purple
And
paint.
forgot about.
So here's a close up, guys. Sorry about that. So it looks like it's been dipped in purple. Well, it really wasn't, but that's the look they're going for. It's got the purple leather with the gray suede, maybe nubuck. No, this is definitely this is suede with the gray leather upper. You don't like these? For real? Oh, she was expecting Unions. Hell no. See, I got me a pair of Unions.
I thought I was getting any other shoe. I only want like 2 shoes.
Unfortunately, I had to pay. Those are like one of the few shoes that I have that are resale.
They don't even sell my size.
Yeah, they don't even make her size. So you know what, babe? Why were you expecting this?
I wasn't expecting that. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting mids because I don't
I wanted these shoes.
I personally don't like mids because it's like, what are you? Are you high or are you low? No, you're in the middle. Like, you suck.
But mids are on the come up now. The blues, the great.
They come up on your scale, but not mine.
They look good. Look, I only have one pair of mids. The blue, the great. And I love them. And I love the collab too. But these are nice. If you don't like it, then I'm probably gonna burn it.
Thank you, babe. I mean, I might as well try them on.
Well, don't try it on yet because you don't like it. So you know what? I'm gonna go donate it to freaking Buffalo Exchange.
Or you can just return them. Or you can do a giveaway. There you go.
Hell no, I'm not gonna do no giveaway until, alright, you know I will do a giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers. I'm just asking, I'm not asking for much. I'm just asking for 100.
We start?
Gotta start somewhere, okay?
Yeah.
Damn.
Okay, well.
But these are really freaking nice, dude. Like, look at these. I wanted a pair of these when they came out on Sneakers app. I took a fat L.
Like
and then I don't think these are even sold out yet. They're not sold out in the female, like actual female sizes. Like bae sizes,
because
I mean.
no baes want them.
Forget the baes. I want this. I rock the hell out of this.
Forget
like, I
the
mean,
baes, baby, really?
forget the baes. I'm trying to get it. The mans, okay? Like these court purples. Love.
This is so sad.
I wish I had these in. You know what? You know, forget that. I'm gonna buy these in my size. They're like, I think there's like 180 right now on StockX. Yeah. You really don't like it? I love these.
You love a lot of things except me.
No. Stay here.
You gonna get me more shoes? I hope we're unboxing another box.
So these are the only mids that I own right now. The Blue the Great. I love this freaking collab, dude. These go great with everything. And I just love the aesthetics of it. The Polaroid, the
like
fuzzy bear, swoosh. Looks like a what?
A Lego block.
It does look like a Lego block.
Yeah.
I love these shoes though. My first pair of mids.
More than you love
Definitely won't be my last.
Because these can be yours. Because I can't even get these bitches on.
So she was expecting these.
I was not expecting that.
Oh, you weren't?
No, but I'm expecting you to undo this because I can't get my foot in there.
Shoehorn, babe.
I can't fit my cankle in there either.
Because you got no socks on. That's what I've been smelling. Feet. Just kidding. Love your feet.
That's your upper lip. Please stop playing with
Probably
me.
is.
Babe. First of all, nobody laces them up this high. Secondly, there's still...
Damn. I wish I had these.
You can have them. I don't want them.
Hater. Never
Hey, I can't get
appreciated.
them on.
What you mean?
I can't.
Go ahead, flex it. They look good on you, babe. I love
looks
these.
good on me, thank you.
Lord
Damn,
have
I creased
mercy.
them already, sorry.
Yeah, no, badly too. It's okay, we'll fix that.
Shit. Whoops. God, it's so weird.
Well,
It's like half carpet and then like half snakeskin. Interesting. Okay, they're growing on me.
They're nice. I like it. But anyways, guys, thank you. This is gonna be closing off for today. I have a few more boxes coming in. Don't know what the hell. But yeah.
Comment below and let us know. Like,
Comment below,
shoes.
subscribe. Let me know what the hell you want to see. Let me know what you want to see. I'm sorry. Don't wear Adidas and Nike together, okay? You cannot collab Nike and Adidas. If I see you, bro, don't wear Adidas and Nike together. You can wear any collab,
Babe?
any other collab.
Babe.
What?
Just no.
Yes. No, I gotta let people know. You can't do that.
But it's dead.
No, it's not dead because we went to New York last week. You know how many people we've seen? Stop it.